Hello guys, in this particular tutorial we will talk about a clear method which basically deletes all the elements. So we're going to go ahead and use this method in an example to illustrate what a clear method does. So first thing first, we are going to go ahead and create a set of the string values here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a set of string values, and the name of my set is set again. And I will go ahead and use, it's the same syntax of creating a set, just like we have created a list. Just replace the list word with the set word and everything remains same. So we're going to go ahead and created a set of strings, and the name of my set is set. So in order to add the element, I'll just use the add method, and I'll just say element1. Then I'm going to go ahead and add another element here. So I'm going to add a couple elements in my set. So I'm going to say element 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the elements that I've added in my set. So now I'm going to go ahead and debug, or I'm going to go ahead and use a debug statement to display all the elements. So elements in my set. So how many elements are there? There are 5 elements. So I'm going to go ahead and just display all the elements. And if I wanted to go ahead and display the size, so what will be the size? The size of my set. So what is the size here? So I'm going to go ahead and call the size method, and it will display me the size. The methods are very similar to what we have used in the list. And if I have a duplicate, let's say I have a duplicate here, and that will not get added in the set, as you already know, because set always contain unique values. Set always contain unique values. Now, after we have done this, the next thing is we are going to go ahead and call the clear method. So in order to call the clear method, we'll just say set.clear. What will it do? It will remove all the elements, not only one element, it will remove all the elements in the set. So this time, if you go ahead and try to display the elements, there will not be any, and the size will be 0. So let's go ahead and execute. So first thing, these elements got added. Then here what will be the output? Output will be all of these elements, but this particular element, which is a duplicate, it will only appear once. And then the size would be 5, because you have 5 unique elements, so it will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth one. And then once you call the clear method, it will delete everything. So the new set will not have anything in it, will be empty. So there will be an empty list, and then the size would be 0. So let's go ahead and match if it's the right answer. So we're going to go ahead and hit the execute button, and let's open our program, and then we're going to hit the debug button. So let's go ahead and see if it matches. So the first time, as I told you, the element 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. So all the elements got added. As you can see, the fourth element only appears once, even if you have tried to add it twice, because it's a set. Now size is, at this point in time, it is 5, okay, because it did not consider the duplicate. After you have called the clear method, now it is empty. There is no element in set, and then the new size is 0. So there is no element, so the size of my set is equals to 0. So this is the clear method in set. Now if you go ahead and replace the same thing with the list, you know what will happen. It will allow it to have duplicates, and the size would be here will be 6. Clear method will delete everything, because clear method it removes all the elements, and at this time the size would be 0 again, because you are using the clear method. So now if I go ahead and execute, the only difference in the output would be this element 4 appears twice. Total elements are 6. Elements, when you're trying to display after the clear method, everything got removed. The new size is 0, because there is no element left in that list. So I've shown you how the list behaves and how the set behaves.